OnLeaks has returned with renders of the Z Fold 8 Wide, following the release of the official CAD renders. There are some intriguing alterations brought about by this. To begin with, this foldable is incredibly short and wide. The interior display measures 7.6 inches, while the cover screen measures 5.4 inches. Although it appears smaller on paper than the standard Z Fold 8, the real screen surface area difference is just roughly 13%. Therefore, it's not as much of a degradation as it seems. The width of this phone is where it truly shines. It is much wider than the Fold 8 Wide. It still extends farther than the normal model, even in landscape mode. When it comes to media consumption, that additional width has a discernible impact. Because of the larger aspect ratio, you frequently see those thick black bars when watching films on the standard Fold. Those bars are much smaller on the wide model. Therefore, the actual video material appears larger even though the screen itself is actually smaller. Additionally, this aspect ratio is somewhat ideal for multitasking. It doesn't feel crowded when 3 apps are running side by side. Even though the cover screen is shorter than the Z Fold 8, movies appear larger and vertical content fits better. When unfolded, the Z Fold 8 Wide is 4.3 mm, and when folded, it is 9.8 mm. And little thicker than the standard Z Fold 8. There are only 2 back cameras on the Z Fold 8 Wide. A 200-megapixel primary sensor and a 50-megapixel ultrawide are included. The wide model is anticipated to have a 4,900 mAh battery, while the Z Fold 8 will have a 5,000 mAh battery. The wide version's screen area is little smaller, but in practical use, the two should have nearly identical battery lives. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy will power both phones. Both include anti-reflective panels, faster 45-watt charging, Samsung's new creaseless display technology, and a new display safety feature that warns you if something gets trapped between the displays when they close. It is anticipated that the standard Z Fold 8 will remain in the $2,000 range. The wide version will likely cost approximately $100 less because it eliminates a camera and significantly reduces the battery.